Hello everyone, welcome. Today we are going to build a simple but powerful data pipeline using Prefect. Prefect is a workflow orchestration tool. This helps to automate and manage your data easily. If you are new into ETL pipeline or Prefect, don't worry, I'll break everything into easy steps so that you can follow along easily. By the end of the video, we'll have a working pipeline that fetches data from a live API, process the data and saves it to a database, and even it creates a summary report also. So let's get started. First, what exactly is Prefect? In data engineering, Prefect manages your tasks like fetching data, cleaning it, saving it by organizing them into neat workflow called a flow. This makes your work more reliable and easier to automate. Our Python script has tasks and flow. Tasks are individual work units, and the flow is a big picture that arranges these tasks. Extract data task. This one connects to a free cryptocurrency API called CoinGecko and gets the latest prices of Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, and Cardano. It tries up to three times if there is a problem, which helps make it reliable. Transform data task. Once we have that raw data, this task cleans and organizes into a table using a tool called pandas. It focuses only the important info like coin name, symbol, price, market cap, and price changes while adding a timestamp for when the data was fetched. Load task. We save this clean data into two places. First, we append it to a CSV file so you can open it in Excel or similar tools. Next, we load the same data into a SQLite database, which is like a small, simple database you can store locally. Generate a report task. Finally, this task create a summary report showing average, lowest, and highest prices for each cryptocurrency based on the data we have collected. Each of these parts is wrapped inside a task decorator, which tells Prefect to handle them as separate tasks. The flow is called a crypto ETL pipeline. This is where Prefect executes all the tasks in the right order, extract the data, transform it into a clean table. Prefect takes care of all that. Now, to run this pipeline regularly on a schedule, we use a deployment file written in YAML. Think of this as a set of instructions for Prefect on how and when to run your pipeline. It names the deployment crypto ETL prod and tags it for easy identification. It points to our Python script and specifies to crypto ETL pipeline as the entry point. Most importantly, it says the pipeline to run every 5 minutes. This means your crypto prices will refresh and be saved automatically every 5 minutes. The time zone is set to Asia slash Kolkata, matching our local time. So we'll start the prefect server first, then we'll start the prefect worker, that is the uh, default agent pool, and then we'll deploy the crypto ETL prod to the prefect server. So let's start the prefect server. Also, let us start the worker pool. Okay, now if you come to the prefect dashboard, you can see the worker pool is active, but there is no deployment yet. Let us go and start the deployment. And you can see the crypto price ETL pipeline is already scheduled. Let us wait for few minutes and resume. Now you can see the job that was scheduled is in pending status, and you can see the task is completed. And another task is already scheduled after 5 minutes. You can see a ETL pattern pipeline depicted within the job. It starts with the extract data task, which pulls live crypto data from the CoinGecko API. As shown in the logs, the system fetched four records successfully. Once the extraction is complete, the transform data task process the raw data for downstream use. After transformation, load to DB saves the processed data into the database. Load to CSV exports it to a CSV file for reporting or backup purpose. Finally, the generate report task consolidates everything into a summary report. What's great about Prefect is that it provides full visibility. You can see each task's status, dependencies, timing, and logs all in one place. And that's how easy it is to build a robust detailed data pipeline with Prefect. Whether you want to track cryptocurrency, stock prices, or any other data, this approach is flexible and beginner friendly. Give it a try yourself. Download the code, set up Prefect, and set your data flow automatically. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel for more coding and AI videos, and leave your questions and suggestions in the comments below. Thank you for watching. Happy coding.